Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today is day 7 of our 21 days of cable knit stitches. And today's stitch is called a medallion cable, because we're going to create these little medallions inside of a couple stitches, or a couple cables. And it's not a new cable, just a new technique, and so I think it's really pretty. So I have my cable needle, and the yarn I am using is a bulky yarn. It is Patton's classic wool roving, and I'm using a 10.5 knitting needle, size knitting needle. It says to use a US 10, but I thought 10.5 worked well for me. So definitely play with the needle sizes and use what works best for you. You just want a nice, you don't want a real tight stitch, just a little on the relaxed, I'd say, the side, not really loose. Because if it's loose, then your stitches here will be elongated and the cables won't look very good. But the cables do tighten it up a little bit, so I like to have a little bit larger needle. So anyway, this is a kind of a long one. It is a 16 row repeat, but a lot of it is repetitive. So only 2 rows in this have a cable. So I am row 4, which I'm going to show you now because I have knitted up to row 4, and row 12 will also have cables in it. So I'm going to show you row 4 here. So with the yarn in the front, we're going to slip 1 purlwise and purl 2 stitches, because I have 2 stitches on the edge here for a reverse stocking knit. So it kind of allows this edge to lay over, which I think is very pretty. All right, so we purled those 2, and we're going to cable 6 back. So that means our right hand needle is going to be in the front, and I don't want to lose that. So we're going to lay that in the front. The cable is a total of 6 stitches, and we're going to take half of them off. So we're going to take the first 3 off and lay them in the back of the work. And then we're going to knit the other 3 stitches off of our left hand needle. And then we're going to knit the 3 stitches off of the cable needle, bringing that yarn all the way to the back. So this is a C6B. And this creates a right leaning cable. So what we're doing is this cable right here at the beginning of the medallion. So we're starting that. Then we're going to knit 1 stitch, and then we're going to cable 6 front. So with the right hand needle in the back of the work, we're going to slip the first 3 stitches onto the cable needle, and then knit 3 stitches off of this left hand needle. And then I'm going to pull that up a little bit because I don't want to lose those stitches. And then knit all 3 of these off the cable needle. And then we're going to finish it off by purling 2, and with the yarn in the front, slip that last stitch. And we just created 2 cables. So we have one that leans to the right, or one that leans to the left. So it opens it up right here. So then I'm going to knit this middle section to here. And they're all knits and purls, and we're creating a seed stitch pattern in here. So I'm going to do that, and then I will come back and show you row 12 where we bring it all together. Alrighty, we are back for row 12. So we have our little medallion center here, and our cable previously we went right and left. This time we're going to go left and right to bring it together so it creates this circle. And then you have the cute little medallion there in the center. All right, so with the yarn in the front, we're going to slip 1 purlwise, purl 2, And then we're going to cable 6 front first. So we're going to let that lay in the back. And then we're going to slip 3 stitches off onto our cable needle. Knit 3 off of our left hand needle. Pull that through so we don't lose those stitches. And then knit the 3 off the cable needle. And then we're going to knit the center stitch right here. And then we're going to cable 6 back. So we're going to lay this in the front, slip 3 stitches off, hold it in the back of our work, knit 3 stitches off the left hand needle, pull that up a little bit so we don't lose those, wrap the yarn all the way in the back, squish those forward a little bit, and then we're going to knit these 3 off of the cable needle. And then I'm going to purl 2. And slip that last stitch with the yarn in the front. So we did open it up and then we closed it back off. And then we're going to knit those rows, and it kind of gives a little bump there in the center. So this stitch has a lot of texture to it. And I'm not sure I would call this a good leftover yarn project. Cables tend to eat up a little bit of yarn, but they create so much texture and they give so much character to a piece. So I love cables. I think they're very pretty once you learn them. And we've already learned a few new techniques, and we'll be learning more. Tomorrow's stitch will have something completely unique, and even day 9 is going to be exciting. So we have some new stitches coming up in it also. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's new stitch, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 8. And thank you so much for watching.